How to fix Character AI not logging in. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up the official website of Character AI either on your mobile device or on laptop or PC. After that, make sure that you check out whether the website is down for everyone else or it is just you, because sometimes due to server issues this website might be down. In that case, you just have to wait and log into your account when the server is up. But what if the server is up and still you're not able to log into your account? Then just simply right click on your login page, click on this option of inspect and then wait for it to load. After that, click on this option of arrow over here, select the option of application, and on the left hand side panel you would be able to find the option of storage. Simply click on it, then scroll down over here and select the option of cache memory, and after that click on this option of clear site data, and this way you would be able to remove the cache memory and you would be able to remove the corrupted files for you on this particular site. And after that it should be working quite fine, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.